Nari Shakti, making women believe in their own power, harness their inner strength to improve their own circumstances and that of those around them. Partnering women in this journey of empowerment is Amazon India. Amazon is bringing dignity and self-respect to thousands of young women entrepreneurs by providing them economic security. In today's episode, we bring you stories of resilience and passion, all of them scripted by women. Anoopshahr is a small sleepy town in Uttar Pradesh. People here are largely dependent on agriculture for a living. The women are mostly homemakers. It was their daily struggle with poverty that inspired Indu Singh to come up with iVillage.
मैं iVillage सोशल सॉल्यूशन के साथ में काम करती हूँ। हमारी कंपनी करीब 4 इयर्स ओल्ड है। कंपनी में हम लोग कुछ कॉर्पोरेट गिफ्टिंग बनाते हैं और कुछ होम फर्निशिंग आइटम बनाते हैं, लाइक कुशन, बेड कवर्स, टेबल लिनन्स, ये सब चीज़ें बनाते हैं। और स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म भी हम इसी में ही बनाते हैं यहीं। हमारा स्पेशल यही है कि हम काम कराना चाहते हैं और उन महिलाओं से काम कराना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि हम काम करेंगे, हम इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे और हम अपने परिवार को सपोर्ट करेंगे। हम लोग गांव को ऑल ओवर पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, तो हम काम करते हैं आर्टिजन्स के साथ, जो गांव में महिलाएं हैं। जब हमने गांव में देखा कि हर घर में लड़कियां, बहुएं सब कुछ ना कुछ काट रही होती हैं, बुनाई कर रही होती हैं, लेकिन उनका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, तो वो आर्टिजन्स को लोग शहर में जाने। तो हमारा जो टैगलाइन भी है कंपनी का, वो है विलेज टू द वर्ल्ड। अगर आज हम शहर में जाते हैं तो एम्ब्रॉयडरी लोग कंप्यूटर मशीन से करते हैं, लेकिन हम कोई कंप्यूटर मशीन नहीं रखते, हम मैनुअल मशीन से एम्ब्रॉयडरी करते हैं।
The NGO upskills the rural women in embroidery, stitching and other such crafts. The skillfully crafted handmade products made by women are then sold through the Amazon Saheli program, helping them reach customers far and wide.
Amazon के साथ हम लोग का रिश्ता तो काफ़ी पुराना। जब हमारी कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई थी, करीब आफ्टर 6 मंथ्स ही हमने स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन जब सहेली इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ और सहेली से हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिला। अमेज़ॉन की टीम ने हमें काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया। सहेली के ज़रिए उन्होंने हमें ट्रेनिंग दी कि उन लोगों को ऑनलाइन अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल कैसे करना है, उसकी MRP कैसे बनानी है, उसको आगे प्राइम में कैसे ले जाना है। तो उससे हमें पता चला फ़ोटोज़ हम खुद कैसे चढ़ा सकते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट को, और वहाँ से हम काफ़ी अच्छे से अब उनके साथ अपनी सेलिंग बढ़ी है। जिस टाइम फर्स्ट टाइम अनाउंस हुआ लॉकडाउन, तो सोचा था कि अब कंपनी चलेगी नहीं और उतना बड़ा iVillage नहीं है कि वो अगले 6 मंथ्स 7 मंथ्स लोगों को सैलरी दे पाए। बट हम लोगों ने आइडिया निकाला कि मास्क की बहुत ज़रूरत है, तो हमने वही बनाने शुरू किए और उसी की लोगों को डिमांड भी थी। अमेज़ॉन के ज़रिए मास्क में सेल में काफ़ी पिकअप होती चली गई। और सबसे अच्छी बात ये थी कि इस टाइम पे ना हमें किसी एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी कट करने की ज़रूरत पड़ी, थैंकफुली, ना ही हमारी सैलरीज लेट हुई। कोविड के बाद भी जैसे सीज़न खुल रहा है, तो आई थिंक दिवाली ऐसा टाइम है कि लोग थोड़ा पॉजिटिव लेके चलते हैं और काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं हमें इस चीज़ से कि पॉजिटिविटी आएगी लोगों में। आगे आने वाला दिवाली और दिवाली से आने वाला पूरा साल सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो, सबके लिए बहुत खुशियाँ लेके आए और बाकी जितने आर्टिजन्स हैं अगर वो अच्छी प्रोडक्ट खरीदेंगे तो उनको भी सपोर्ट मिलेगा।
A special marketplace for women entrepreneurs, Amazon Saheli program was launched in November 2017. It works with 36 partners, empowering more than 2.8 lakh women entrepreneurs across India, taking their products far and wide. Asha Agarwal, an entrepreneur from Jaipur, realized the power of online selling when she discovered Saheli.
मेरी कंपनी का नाम श्री हैंडीक्राफ्ट है और इसमें कई तरह के प्रोडक्ट हैं, मेटल के हैं, वुड के हैं, पेंटिंग्स वगैरह हैं। ये कदम की लकड़ी पे बनता है और ये जो कार्बिन है ना वो बहुत इसी में ज़्यादा फिनिशिंग आती है कदम की लकड़ी पे और यहाँ लोकल जयपुर का है ये। और ये जो फिनिशिंग यहाँ मिलेगी ना वो और कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, ये प्रोडक्ट लोकल जयपुर में ही मिल सकता है। मेरे को शुरू से ही शौक़ था पेंटिंग वगैरह का, तो मैं ये चाह रही थी कि ये सबके पास पहुँचे, मैं सबको दिखा सकूँ, इसलिए मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया। तो धीरे धीरे हमने जयपुर से बाहर फिर हमने ये ऑनलाइन भी स्टार्ट किया अमेज़ॉन सहेली के थ्रू, तो उससे भी हमें काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला और बहुत अच्छा रहा वो हमारा।
Sri Handicrafts today employs more than 150 craftspersons, giving them a steady source of income.
अमेज़ॉन सहेली के थ्रू हम जैसी महिलाएं आत्मनिर्भर बन सकती हैं। वो लेडीज़ें जो खुद के पैर पे खड़ा होना चाहती हैं, तो वो इसके माध्यम से अपने पैरों पे खड़ी हो सकती हैं। कोविड की वजह से ऑफलाइन तो इतना बिजनेस नहीं था, लेकिन ऑनलाइन रहने से उसका हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिला, नए नए ऑर्डर्स मिले रोज़, और ये बहुत सपोर्टेबल रहा हमारे लिए अमेज़ॉन सहेली। उसी के थ्रू हम अपना बिजनेस पूरा पटरी पे चला पा रहे हैं।
With an impressive customer base across India, Asha now inspires to make a global impact.
ऑनलाइन जो कुछ भी आप नया डालेंगे तो वो ज़रूर आगे बढ़ेगा। आपके अंदर जो हुनर है नया, उसे आगे बढ़ाइए आप, बजाय किसी की नकल करने के। कि मैंने ऐसा किया तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स मिला। नया हुनर जो भी होगा तो सबको पसंद आएगा, वो अच्छा लगेगा। जयपुर का आर्ट और आर्टिस्ट, ये दोनों हम चाहते हैं कि बहुत आगे बढ़े, और ये हमारे जयपुर की धरोहर है और हम इसे बहुत आगे तक बढ़ाना चाहते हैं। फेस्टिवल सीजन के लिए हमने बहुत नए नए प्रोडक्ट बनाए हैं और काफ़ी रेंज में वो प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास है, और हमें ये होप है कि ये 2020 का फेस्टिवल बहुत अच्छा जाएगा।
Coming up next, from international sellers to local delivery girls, more stories of grit and determination. It is the global market that Shreya Vora is also trying to leverage for her silver jewelry venture, Piora. Shreya joined her father's business after doing MBA from Singapore.
My name is Shreya Vora. We are a sterling silver and fashion jewelry brand with stores across the country. And I graduated from Singapore Management University with a degree in business management in 2012 and joined the business immediately ever since. So when we started off Piora in India, we had a very simple motto to cater to the fashion jewelry needs of Indians across different demographics of the country. And we wanted to provide them with the best possible craftsmanship and the most beautiful pieces of jewelry possible at affordable prices. Amazon launched in India in around 2012. The jewelry category was launched in 2013 and we were among the first sellers to be onboarded on the India platform, and the journey has been very eventful. It has been one of the most significant partners of our sales, and it has also helped define our brand aesthetic to a great extent. What e-commerce gave us was a platform to understand the jewelry palette of customers across countries. What Amazon really does is it provides you with a seamless state-of-the-art platform that takes care of all of these hazards and issues, and all you have to do is focus on the core business and the business development part of it, which is why we decided to launch on Amazon as soon as it entered India.
In 2017, Shreya made her international debut with fashion jewelry under the brand name Aheli through Amazon's global selling program. There has been no looking back since.
We work very closely with dozens of karigars across the country. We are more than happy to take their inputs when it comes to deciding our product catalog and launching new designs. Amazon has been very supportive of us ever since we've launched on Amazon, and it has a very strong service provider network that has been helping us. Great India Festival is normally around Diwali, which is also when the bridal season picks up in India, and which is why Diwali is our #1 season in terms of sale. Last year, that is Diwali 2019, was our best month for e-commerce, and we saw a 2x spike in sales as compared to our average business. This year, although the situation seems a little tricky, we are very positive. People have been buying online. They've been getting a lot more comfortable with online shopping. So we are expecting better numbers this year as compared to last year.
While Amazon has supported women entrepreneurs in selling their products and finding new markets, it has also provided a launchpad to many others, like the ladies at stonesoup.in. Started by a group of working mothers turned eco-warriors in Bengaluru, stonesoup.in aims to minimize waste for a more sustainable way of life.
Our aim is to create zero waste homes. So that's why all our products are aimed at reducing the waste that you are generating and making sure that the waste doesn't end up in landfills. And that's how Stone Soup was born, to create zero living lifestyle. So all our products are made in India products. Everything that we introduced in our catalog, everything is made by the rural people, by the NGOs whom we have trained. There is a lot of thought process that has gone into designing each and every product. We decided to launch our products on Amazon. So online is a huge game changer for us, because with Amazon we could reach out to even remotest of places where we couldn't deliver our own products within a day. There is a kind of trust that people have built with Amazon, and that's the kind of trust that we wanted to build with our customers also. So we had started the process for global expansion, and because COVID-19, we decided to postpone it a bit. we weren't sure how we will deliver our products. At one point of time, we didn't know where to get the supplies from because the supplies weren't working. So we decided to launch our mask. So all these masks, everything that was made by the self-help groups, we launched all of them on Amazon and we were able to sell. Amazon has helped us during difficult times, even during COVID-19 when we weren't sure how we'll operate. But we knew that Amazon staff will come and take the deliveries and deliver it to our customers. We are really looking forward to the Great Indian Festival because COVID has actually affected all of us. We have launched new products. So all those new products will be now available for the Great Indian Festival. So we are looking forward to a very great response. Most of the times people don't encourage women to go out and work. It's been a very empowering, it's been an eye-opener of how we started as a small team of women entrepreneurs and where we have reached and the kind of response that we have gotten from everybody. It's really amazing. I would really encourage more and more women to come forward and do whatever they love to do.
Your time for change is now.
A crucial part of success stories like StoneSoup.in is Amazon's delivery network that bridges the gap between the sellers and the customers. Here too, women play a significant role, providing the backbone for the delivery services. One such valued partner is Jamuna Rani, the proprietor of Sarini Associates, who runs a women-only delivery station in Chennai. This former software professional's dream of having her own business was realized in 2016 when she became a delivery partner with Amazon.
We are started in Feb 2016. We are happy to say that we all have started with a women-only delivery station. I am very proud to say that I am a service partner of Amazon. And we have started with only 3 delivery associates, and we have started with very minimal package of delivery. And today we are 15 plus. Each and every woman has their own power. They should come out, step out and showcase their uniqueness. We should have a confidence and we should express it. That will make all women to become an entrepreneur. This pandemic season, everyone were jobless, but our guys are very happy. Proudly they can say that they are with job and they are financially able to stabilize their family actually. And Amazon have supported us in different ways. So I'm very happy to express that. Not me alone, our team even. We started with only 3 associates and now we are 15 associates who have personally improved, professionally improved, and the most important thing, financially improved.
While Amazon's talented sellers manufacture innovative and exclusive products for the customers, it is the fulfillment centers that bear the responsibility of delivering what customers desire in the shortest possible time. Hard-working women with the desire to stand out are always encouraged to break the glass ceiling at Amazon fulfillment centers. This inspired Satyapriya to do something no other woman was doing. She became a forklift operator at Amazon Fulfillment Center in Bengaluru.
As a packer, I came inside. 2 months I complete my packing. After they announced for fit operator vacancy, I have a driving license. So I wish to drive. I got a crush on this vehicle. While training with me to 18 or 17 members boys, only 2 girls are there. I have to train a lot. So after that I get selected in first section. According to four-wheeler and forklift is totally different because we have to driving in left hand. But the normal driving is we are in right hand. So totally it's different for me. So it's take time to learn. I slowly run for 2 months. After I get everything, getting training for always seniors. Without senior I didn't drive. My friends are afraid of this work. Why you are there? So many girls are asking, how are you working there, Akka? We don't know.
Satyapriya's unconventional choice of career did raise many eyebrows in the beginning, but her firm resolve to excel in an unconventional field gets full support at Amazon.
A woman can't drive. So many ways they didn't do this work. So I chose this. And a few managers and HRs will encourage me while giving my license. We will help you, don't worry, we are always there for you. So they are encouraging me, they are like father and mother for me in this workplace. So I wish to do my work here.
From actively claiming their space in online market to being an efficient cog in the wheel of last mile delivery, the women power at Amazon is spreading its wings far and wide. As Diwali brings with it hopes of festive shopping and fresh cheer, these women are now gearing up for Amazon's much awaited shopping extravaganza of the year, the Great Indian Festival. In the next episode, we bring you fascinating stories of how Amazon gives a boost to Make in India, not just around Diwali, but throughout the year.